Okay. I wanted to make sure you guys saw some of the options that are available built into Windows 10. So, um, as far as restoring things, we can create a restore point, um, or just in general manage our restoration here in the console, right? So you can choose to go back to a restore this way, or if things are getting really hairy or weird, you might be able to just come here. You're going to hold down the shift key when you go press power and then restart. And what should happen here is we should get a prompt about how we want to restart. We go to the reset your P or advanced options. Okay. Setup PC is probably not the right place to be. We want to be in advanced options and we want to do starter or system restore is actually where you guys want to be. This will take a moment or two. And when this boots back up, what you're going to see is the options for a restore point that I put together just a few minutes ago. One of these days I'm going to learn to type, and you probably recognize this as a restore point that I did earlier today. You're going to follow through the rest of this, okay, and do finish. You should be good to go. Hope this helps.